on a Sunday. To make a lot of love on a Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching positions for you. Cooking in the kitchen and I'm in a better room. I'ma need a lip that say I'm pumping through holes. All my love infinite, nothing I wouldn't do, but I won't do. Switching.
Hey, so I hope you've been enjoying these edits. I spent a lot of time on them. Anyways, Merry Christmas.